ABC Adventures Learning is fun. Once upon a time, there were three friends named Amy, Ben, and Casey. They loved to learn new things, especially their ABCs. One sunny day, they decided to go on an ABC adventure. They wanted to find something for every letter of the alphabet. A is for apple, said Amy, as she picked a shiny red apple from a tree. B is for butterfly, said Ben, pointing to a colorful butterfly fluttering by. Look, C is for cat, exclaimed Casey, as a furry cat walked past them. They kept walking, finding something for each letter. They found a big D for dog, an exciting E for elephant, and so on. They laughed and learned, and their ABC adventure was lots of fun. They even made up a little song to remember the letters. When they got home, they realized that learning can be exciting and full of joy. They were proud of all the new things they discovered. The friends learned that learning isn't just sitting in a classroom. It can happen anywhere, even while having fun. And so, Amy, Ben, and Casey showed that learning ABCs can be an adventure, and learning new things is a wonderful journey.